Welcome to today's lesson. This is Teacher Austin. Wish to take you through math, making it as simple as possible. Now, in the previous lesson, I took you through addition, but today I want to take you through subtraction, which is also known as takeaway, but it's takeaway without borrowing. Someone will ask, how do you do takeaway without borrowing? It's very simple. For example, I've been given a number like 200 minus 35. 200 minus 35. Someone will say that no, you have to borrow. But if you rearrange this number, it's like writing 200, which can be written as 1, 9, 10. So, why 1? From 2, you take one step behind. Make it 1, then this one, 10, this one, 9, this one, 10. So, minus, place value of 1 here, we have 5. Here we have 3. Here we have 0. We subtract. 1 take away 0 is 1. 9 take away 3 is 6. And 10 take away 5 is 5. So my answer is 1, 6, 5. So 200 minus 35 is equal to 165. Very simple. Now let's look at another question. Another question on subtraction. You have been given 175 or 74 minus 123. Now with this one, it's very simple because the number that are all on the subtraction side, all of them are less than the first number. So it means from 4, I'll subtract 3. From 7, I'll subtract 2. And from 1, I'll subtract 1. So 4 take away 3 is 1. 7 take away 2 is 5. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So the answer here is 51. That one is very, very simple. Now, another example. I want to believe you understanding. Second example, you have been given 234 take away 75. Now this one, because the number is less, that is less than somehow big, this is very small, you can decide to do it with bringing in the tenth or the place value, whereby we have 4, we take away 5, then in place of 3, we subtract 7, that will be, place value of 3 is 30, or 10, so it becomes 30, take away 70, while here it is 4, take away 5, then in place value of 2, there is nothing to subtract from, so it remains 2. So here it will be 2 and place value of this 2 is 200. So we shall have 200 minus, why minus? 30 take away 70 is impossible. So 70 take away 30 is 40. Or 7 take away 3 is 40, so minus. Then 4 take away 5 is impossible. 5 take away 4 is 1, minus 1. This 2 here, because it is 41, we have minus, minus, then we add this 2. It means 40 plus 1, that is 41, and we are having 200. Then back to the other formula that we have just done, whereby we have, allow me to do it from where? Allow me to do it from here. That is 200 minus 41. That is 1, 9, 10, minus 1, 4, 0. The answer here is 1. 9 take away 4 is 5. And 10 take away 1 is 9. So the answer is 159. That is the answer here. You can try with your calculator and see, will you get 159? Very few steps to follow. Because of the big number, this is the second formula, by the way, is you change it into tens or place value. This is ones, this is tens. This is ones, tens, 100. So for ones, it will be 4, take away 5. Then this 3, it will be 30, take away 70. And this is 200, take away nothing. So we leave it like that. So 200 will drop down. Then here we have 30, take away 70. It is impossible. So you take 30, subtract 70, subtract 30 to have negative 40 or minus 40. Then 5, subtract 4 subtract 5 is impossible, so it is 5 take away 4, which will be minus 1. And therefore we have 200 minus 40 minus 1. Because it's minus here, minus there, we add these two. So it is 40 minus 1 becomes 41. Then it is 40 minus 41, which is equals to 159. How do I get 159? This 200, using the previous one that I've just shown you how to subtract number with the zeros, is just take 200 minus 41, you rearrange it, and you have your answer. Very simple. You're being given 1,000. Let's look at a big number, like 1,000. You're told 1,000, take away 567. That is 1,000. Take away 567. Just come and write down 9, 9, 10. Minus, this one here will be a 7, this one 6, this one 5. Is equals to, this is 5, goes to place the value of 100. 6 goes to place value of 10. 7 goes to place value of 1s. Now 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 6 is also 3. Then 9 take away 5 is 4. So your answer is 433. You can still try to see, is it correct? 567 plus 433. Here is 7. 10, cut 1. 10, cut 1, 10. Here it is. Very simple, no borrowing. You've been given 500 maybe? Let's look at 500. 500 minus a number. Which number do you suggest? 500 minus 37. Good. So it is 500 minus 37. Now instead of 5, one step behind. That is 4. Here 9 and here is 10. Minus 7, minus 3, minus 0. 0 because there's nothing there. So this is 4. This is 9 take away 3, that is 6. 10 take away 7, that is 3. The answer is 463. Is it correct? You add this plus this, will you get 500? 500 plus 3 is, not 500, we are proving to see, will you get 500? You are having 463 plus 37. We say do like that, then this like this, and this has nothing. So this is 4, 6 plus that is 9, and this plus this is 10. Then this and this we add together. This one we drop to 0, 9 plus this becomes 10, and this one becomes 4. Again we add this and this becomes 5, 0, 0. And here it is. Very simple. That is subtraction without, or take away without borrowing. I want to believe you have not seen me borrowing, but you're still enjoying doing it. We are really enjoying doing it. You've been given 200, 259 take away 203. Very simple. 9 take away 3, 5 take away 0, and 2 take away 2. 9 take away 3, that is 6. 5 take away 0, that is 5. 2 take away 2, that is 0. So the answer is 56. I tell you, math is very, very easy. As long as you just enjoy doing it, and you'll find out that math is very easy. And once you do mastering of these steps, you'll find out that math becomes very easy. You don't have to calculate with your pen or whatever. With just calculation of mind and the mastering of the steps, you can work out any question without any problem. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more clips on how to make math sweet and math easy, and also to keep you busy during this COVID-19. I want to believe you're at home and you're staying safe. God bless you. Thank you.